Welcome back to another interesting tutorial in WhatsApp, and here is a new feature that is available on WhatsApp Business or Personal WhatsApp, which allow you to scan any document into PDF in a few seconds. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up our WhatsApp. Whether you are using WhatsApp Business or normal WhatsApp, you can use these particular features right here, or for free on every Android phone users. So after you open up the WhatsApp, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select a particular contact you want to scan document or PDF for. So I'm going to click on this contact right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this attach icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on document right here. Then go ahead and click on scan documents. Then position the camera on the document. Hit on auto scan. Then you are here. If you would like to add more documents, go ahead and click on this plus sign icon right here. Then position the camera and snap for the second. So you can snap as many as possible documents. You can also enhance to give it more effect, filters, crop and rotate, or clean, etc. So once you have satisfied, go ahead and click on next. Then go ahead and click on send. And the document will be sent as PDF, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So you can go on and use these features all for free. You can use it for whether business WhatsApp or normal WhatsApp. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your WhatsApp app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.